is Ashley.Lundy. I'm here at Guaranty in Junction City today. I'd like to show you a quick tour of this 2013 Fleetwood Jamboree that we just acquired. This one is a 31N, it's 31 feet long. Got our Ford Triton V10 on the E450 chassis. This is a really neat model on the inside, so we'll go right on in. This one is going to be very spacious. This is great if you're a family, you have kids, you want extra space, you have friends come over. You're going to have a booth that converts into a bed. You're going to have your front bunk. This sofa turns into a bed. Of course, you have your kitchen, your oven if you like to make cookies. RV fridge runs off propane or electric, so you can be dry camping. And back here is my favorite. You have a mini booth. Table drops down, turns into a bed, and this lowers and turns it into bunk beds. So lots of sleeping area here. Across the hall, you have storage in these two cupboards. And behind that, you have the bathroom. Nice glass doors, good size, even some counter space. And on the way back, you have what I call the master bedroom, in addition to further storage. So they did good with storage, great with sleeping surfaces in this one. Double slide here, so you get a lot of space for the length. And this one is already set up so you can tow your tow vehicle with it and leave this one parked. Even a spare tire, which we don't see a lot of. You're going to have all of your regular hookups. So this is a slightly used unit we got here in trade. If you're interested in this or anything else we have, please don't hesitate to give us a call, stop on in. You can reach me directly at 541-337-2387. Call or text anytime. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Ashley at Guaranty Chevrolet.